Welcome back. Now on to news from the city. The corporation had to stop digging roads from September 1st. Now getting ready for the rainy season ahead, the corporation had put plans to place to dig up 30 major roads in the city to prepare storm water drains. Now the deadline of which was September 1st. However, has the corporation ceased work, and more importantly, have they met the deadline? We get our viewers a quick reality check.
Storm water construction work started in July last year, has been left unfinished in September. Since the work was stopped, we have been making various representations to the corporation, to the MLA and engineers in charge of the construction work. But till date, though they have promised early implementation and early completion of the stormwater drain work, so far no steps have been taken.
Well, LIC, a day after, of course, the LIC Group celebrated its 55th Foundation Day, the life insurance major broke out into another round of celebrations, marking the beginning of the Insurance Week. Now, the Insurance Week that lasts from the 1st to the 8th of September. The top management also spoke of plans for using the latest information technology and marketing techniques to reach the customer.
A lot of activities, both in marketing area and in servicing area. As I was telling you, in marketing, apart from our conventional marketing, we have entered into bank insurance, we have entered into direct marketing, we have entered into health insurance, we have entered into micro insurance, we have entered into a sub operation called CLI, called the Chief Life Insurance Advisors. So we have expanded our market activities in different forms so that we can we can go beyond our conventional marketing into all these new areas of marketing, and we will be also entering into the telemarketing and things like that, as and when IRD approves it.
And well, the Chennai-based big group Sundaram Clayton today made an addition to the top brass, injecting youth into the board of directors. Now today, Sudarshan Venu, the son of Venu Srinivasan of the TVS Group, was appointed as the additional director in the Sundaram Clayton Board of Directors. Now, with a strong academic background and exposure to the industry, the top management seemed optimistic about the latest member of the board.
And with another 4-8 weeks of experience.
Well, up on the other side, Chennai boy Naren Karthikeyan gets a strong backer ahead of the first ever Indian Grand Prix. More details on the other side.